In this video, I'll show you how to send money from Payoneer to another bank account. First, open the official Payoneer website or mobile app and log in to your account. Make sure your account is fully verified and that you have an available balance. If Payoneer is asking for identity verification, address verification, or any other pending document, complete that first because withdrawals may be limited until your account is approved. Once you are logged in, go to the Withdraw section. On some accounts, this may appear as Withdraw to Bank, Banks and Cards, or Transfer to Bank. The exact wording can vary depending on your country and account type. Next, choose the balance you want to withdraw from. For example, if you have funds in USD, EUR, GBP, or another currency, select the correct balance. Then choose the bank account where you want to send the money. If the bank account is already saved in Payoneer, select it from the list. If you need to add a new bank account, choose Add Bank Account and enter the required details. This may include the account holder name, bank name, account number, routing number, IBAN, sort code, SWIFT code, or other local banking information. Make sure the bank details are correct before saving them. In many cases, the bank account must be in your name or in the name of your registered business. If the account details do not match, the transfer may be delayed, rejected, or returned. After selecting the bank account, enter the amount you want to send. Payoneer will usually show the exchange rate, withdrawal fee, and estimated amount the bank account will receive. Review these details carefully, especially if you are withdrawing in a different currency. Before confirming, check the balance, destination bank, account number, currency, amount, and any fees. If everything looks correct, click or tap, withdraw, submit, or confirm. Payoneer may ask you to complete a security step, such as entering a verification code, answering a security question, or confirming the action by email. Complete the verification to submit the withdrawal request. After the transfer is submitted, you can track it in your Payoneer transaction history. The money may arrive in the bank account within a few business days, depending on the country, bank, currency, and payment method. If the transfer fails or is returned, check the bank details and review any message from Payoneer. You may need to update the bank information and try again. That's how to send money from Payoneer to another bank account safely. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.